Hi, family detectives. Welcome to week 3 of the summer family history adventure, Walking in Their Footsteps. So far, we've built our trees and found our first records. Now it's time to ask a different question. Not just who your ancestors were, but where they actually lived. Place matters more than people realise in family history, and here's why. Counties and parishes were the building blocks of record keeping for centuries. Knowing which parish your ancestor lived in can be the difference between finding their baptism record and hitting a brick wall. Parish boundaries, in particular, can be surprisingly small and specific. Your ancestor might have lived their whole life within just a few miles, all recorded within one parish church. And migration, sometimes families moved just a few miles for work, and sometimes they crossed counties, countries, or even oceans. Understanding why they moved often tells you as much about their story as any single record. Your mission this week: mark your ancestors on a map. Doesn't need to be fancy. Pins on a physical map, a simple sketch, or a digital map tool all work. The goal is simply to start seeing your family story as a map, not just a list of names. Add whatever you discover in your research log as you go. I'd love to know, did any of your ancestors move further than you expected? Let me know in the comments. And share your map if you can.